Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this video and talk about if you're not making money online right now, what likely is the problem and what you're not doing. So I'm just basing this on my own personal experience. When I look back at the years that I've been doing this and the stuff that's yielded results and the stuff that hasn't, one of the first things that I did when I incorrectly when I was started was worrying about the wrong type of stuff. Right? Like worrying about like what should my domain name be? What should my logo look like? What should my primary color scheme be? And silly stuff like that. Running around from shiny object to shiny object, buying a bunch of different courses, downloading every single lead magnet and free opt-in that you possibly can. Yeah, just wasting time and energy on different things instead of just focusing on one single thing. Russell talks about this, and it's easy to say it, but to actually go and do it. Like, I was guilty of this for sure. Even just recently, just watching his videos, and he was like, just take one sales funnel, build that up to $1 million, and then you can go work on another sales funnel. So I was like, okay, wow, that's you know what, I can do that. I can put aside everything and just focus on one type of funnel. So if you're not making money online right now, it's probably because you're bouncing around between a bunch of different things. You're like, oh, I need a tripwire funnel for this, and I need a webinar funnel here, and I need an application funnel for this. Like, if you just sit and focus on one thing, you'll be amazed what happens. The other thing is not focusing on your offer. Now, one of the coolest things that ever happened to me was stumbling upon Joel Irway is his name, and he talks about selling stuff with webinars, but he also talks about like a mini webinar framework and what he calls the power offer. And now the power offer is absolutely crazy. It is the coolest thing. And if you can go and encapsulate what it is that you can do, what it is that you can help people with, what it is you can, whatever type of result that you can give them, whatever you can provide, once you learn how to take what he is talking about with the power offer and write up your own version of that and send it out to your people, your list, your tribe, get it out on social media, however you get it out there, get your message out there, you'll be amazed at what happened. Within minutes of me sending out an email with kind of an updated version of my own power offer, I had like an immediate reply right away. Somebody was like, yes, I want this immediately, right? So how easy is that? You just have to go directly to the offer and not worry about silly things like logos and email sequences and funnels and funnel design and frameworks and that type of stuff. It was really just like in a single email, if you can get your power offer down and put it into, you know, a paragraph of words, that is what will start making money online. Put that message out there, start bringing in someone, get on the phone with them, take them through and record those results. And then boom, now you've got a product. You can go and sell that product. That's how you go and start making money online, right? So I'm just telling you from my own experiences how well it works. Go look up Joel Irway and the power offer. Go create your own, put it out there, and let me know what happens to you. Because with me, it worked really fast. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.